Today in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create website hyperlink in PDF document. Go to your browser and in search bar type Canva. As you know, Canva is a largest designing site and you can design templates, cards, poster, video, social media post, many things in Canva. Now I'm going to open Canva. You can create an account in Canva using your Facebook or Google account. Click on create a design and you will find an option here, import file. Now click on import file, select the PDF file where you want to create website hyperlink. I'm selecting a PDF file and click on open and importing your files, and you will find a option. Click here to view, or you can click on project here and you will find your uploaded file here. Click on your uploaded file. Another tab will be opened. You can edit your PDF here also. Now, if you want, you can maximize your document. I'm making the 60% or 65%. Now you have to select text or image where you want to add your website hyperlink. I'm going to copy my website link, select and copy the link from here. And now here you can select your text or you can select your image where you want to add your website hyperlink. I'm going to select my name here and right click on selected text, and you will find a option here, link. Just click on link and paste your link here. The link has been pasted, and now click on done. Website hyperlink has been added. Now you need to click on share to download your document. Click on download. By default, the file type is PNG selected. Click on the drop down menu and select the PDF standard. Click on download. The file is downloading. The download has been completed. Open the document location. This is the file I have downloaded now. I'm going to open the file. Right click on the file and click on open. You will find a link. Click on the link. The Facebook page has been opened here. This is the simplest way to create website hyperlink in a PDF document.